Highway for exemption पे different allowed.
Funded in the
last date,
25. Maybe time to maybe time to given for a department.
Lord, this matter is a super urgent, my lord, because the respondent have already started the posting. And the question, that is the question number 19.
My lord, maybe given a 2 week time to balance.
They have changed the answer. And they are not following even the NCERT. I don't know what they are following.
My lord, department seeking time for 2 weeks.
My lord, kindly use page number 21 in the result of the JSO. Total result has been published 792, my lord. And in the list, there are several candidates whose rank is more than 792, my lord. I don't know what's happening and how the recruitment process is taking place. The rank 810 is there. 806 rank is there, which is at page number 32. Again, rank 800 is there. Page number 31. Rank 808 is there. 802 is there. Again, rank 805 is there. 801, 807, 795. Total selected candidate 792. How can be above than the 792? The rank should be between 1 to 792. The rank is indicated in the result, madam.
Department is time to 2 weeks time to file report.
There we started the posting. I will be selected. I'll get the rank around 200, my lord. By the time they will close the posting, where I will get in which state I'll get. Since my rank is higher, I'll get the north state. Again, there will be multiple litigation in that. And there is a judgment of the Supreme Court in Sachin Kumar versus Delhi Subnet Service, because there is a malified recruitment.
What is your rank today?
My rank will be around 200, because the...
so you are getting, you will be considered for posting?
Yes, madam.
Also, it is 10 marks.
But they have, in the selected list, my name and the roll number is not there, my lord, because they have deducted my 4 marks.
This is our,
in the computer test.
Then how will you come at a high rank of 200?
Because the cutoff is 447, my lord, and the my score is 464 after normalization. Because the candidate who have got around this marks, their rank is around 200 to 210, and they are getting the north state.
Today after normalization you have 446 marks.
Yes, sir.
So if you get 4 more marks, so you get 4
No,
more.
because I am above the qualifying marks, because the computer test is the qualifying test. In the computer test, question number 19 is the correct. They have deliberately reduced my marks by the 4 marks. उसमें क्वालिफाई कर जाऊंगा ना मैं.
तो 446 पे अगर 4 और जोड़ देंगे तो
इसमें नहीं जुड़ेगा. कंप्यूटर टेस्ट क्वालिफाइंग है, उसको क्वालिफाई करेंगे तभी आपका सिलेक्शन.
अच्छा.
इन्होंने क्या किया, मेरा 4 नंबर डिडक्ट कर.
So even though the main exam you would stand qualified, but
yes,
in the qualifying, which was not part of the rank exercise, with that you have failed because of one question there.
Yes. And the NCERT is saying that the CPU consists of CU, AU and the restart. And this HSC in the tentative answer key, they have corrected that. Revised answer key में ऐसा मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ, my lord. Several students are there. And the result itself indicating there is a malified recruitment process. How can we do rank above than the 792? If total number of selected candidates for a particular...
Oh, वो इसलिए because all those in between would have been disqualified, na, because of this CPT or whatever.
No, this is the result. They will call for the posting. They have already called for the document verification. It never happened in the UPSC. Suppose UPSC total vacancy is 1,000. The rank is 1 to 1,000. How can the rank above than the 1,000? It is not possible. It is impossible. From the backdoor, they are selecting the candidate. This clearly indicates. And there is a judgment of the Supreme Court, Sachin Kumar versus Delhi Subnet Service. If there is a malified recruitment, the recruitment has to be scrapped. And you have issued the notice to file the reply. They are not filing the reply. They are again seeking 2 weeks.
Department is time to be.
I've already sent the representation. They are not taking the decision on the representation also. I don't know why they are hiding.
कब तो हाइड करते रहेंगे
My lord, my prayer is that
who is the counsel for the respondent staff selection commission?
I am counsel for
Ashwini
respondent.
Kumar, you are Mr. Ashwini Kumar.
Yes, Lord.
अभी लग रहा है Mr. Ashwini Kumar.
Yes,
मतलब क्यों हो रहा है इतना?
Not your
इतना विलंब क्यों हो रहा है?
not your department seeks time to file a reply.
ये काउंटर फाइल करते रहेंगे और आपसे बैकडोर एंट्री करना है क्या?
No, worry. No, it's not.
इसका बिजोग लगा रहा है?
I'll give you one more majority for
आपको विश्वास हो चुका है स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन से?
नहीं मतलब नहीं है, अगर आप क्वेश्चन का आंसर गलत दिया गया किसी का
एनसीईआरटी बुक से बोल रहे हैं
NCERT में clearly लिखा हुआ है, which is that my lord,
not a single person.
49 my lord. Delhi Peri is 49 my lord.
ये पूरा जो एक्सरसाइज है इसमें टीयर 1 और टीयर 2 थे.
Yes my lord.
तो टीयर 1 इज द मेन मेरिट वाला एग्जाम एंड टीयर 2
टीयर 1 मतलब टीयर 1 क्वालीफाई करने के बाद टीयर 2 एग्जाम होता है और टीयर 2 के मार्क्स के बेसिस पे जो है मेरा रैंक डिसाइड होता
तो ये टीयर 1 एग्जाम है ना जो कंप्यूटर का है
है. नहीं 2 का
तो फिर तो आप कह रहे हैं ना कि वो तो सिर्फ करना
वो सिर्फ क्वालीफाइंग है मैडम. उसको क्वालीफाई करेंगे तभी आपका मार्क अगर टॉप भी कर जाते हैं तभी जब तक वो क्वालीफाई नहीं करेंगे तब तक आप सिलेक्टेड लिस्ट में नहीं.
तो मैं ये पूछूं मेरिट जिस पर टॉप किसमें करना था वो टीयर 1 था
टीयर 2
वो भी टीयर 2 के 2 मॉड्यूल थे.
हाँ यस
उसमें एक रिटन था और एक कंप्यूटर बेस्ड.
वो सब ऑब्जेक्टिव ही थे. कंप्यूटर जो टेस्ट था मैडम उसमें टोटल जो है 60 क्वेश्चन थे.
ओके.
सॉरी 60 मार्क और उसमें 25
एडवर्टाइजमेंट लगाई है आपने?
हाँ लगा.
स्कीम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन लिखा है.
90 पे पेज नंबर 90 पे नोटिफिकेशन है एंड
स्कीम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन.
scheme of exam is as stated by my lord.
You are for which post?
Yes.
Yes.
Page number 106. One zero six है कि 107 का डिटेल. The detail is that page number 107 and 108.
टीयर 1 इज क्वालिफाइंग
Yes. Tier 1 qualify जैसे previous
ये क्वेश्चन किस पे टीयर 1 में कि
Tier 2.
4 नंबर मिल जाएंगे आपको
हाँ 4 नंबर मिल जाएगा तो मेरे 18 हो जाएंगे. 15 हमें मिलाना है क्योंकि हम TWS में TWS के लिए 25% भी तो 60 टोटल 60 मार्क्स है तो 25% होता है 15. तो मेरे 14 है 4 हो जाएंगे तो 18 हो जाएंगे.
देखिए अभी जरा ये पेज नंबर 107 पे आइए. तो ये जो स्कीम ऑफ टीयर 2 एग्जामिनेशन पेज नंबर 107 बॉटम पे इसमें 2 पेपर थे पेपर 1 और पेपर 2.
Yes.
पेपर 1 इज पेपर 1 के अंदर सेक्शन 3 है. हाँ तो ये जो मॉड्यूल सेक्शन 3 मॉड्यूल 1 है ये क्वालिफाइंग था सिर्फ.
सिर्फ क्वालिफाइंग है लिखा हुआ.
बाकी मेरिट वाले कौन से थे?
मेरिट वाले हैं मैडम इसमें मैं बता रहा हूँ.
कितना कंफ्यूजन है. मॉड्यूल 1 इज मैथमेटिकल एबिलिटी मॉड्यूल 2 रीजनिंग.
ये क्वालिफाइंग
तो आप लोग मेरिट लिस्ट किस बेसिस पे बन रही है?
मैं बता
टीयर 2 बन रही
Skeleton 68. My score card. 69 में है बेसिकली. मेरे हो गया मैडम इसमें मैथमेटिकल एबिलिटी टेस्ट हुआ था. उसके बाद रीजनिंग एंड जनरल इंटेलिजेंस. फिर इन दोनों का जो है टोटल रॉ स्कोर 164 हो गया. नॉर्मलाइज होके जो है 160 हो गया.
ठीक है.
उसके बाद इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज है 127 एंड जनरल अवेयरनेस 40 और ये दोनों मिलाकर स्कोर कार्ड हो गया 167 और इसको फिर नॉर्मलाइज किया गया दैट कम्स 167.55.
ठीक है.
और फिर जो है पेपर 2 है जो स्टैटिक्स के थे क्योंकि हम जेएसओ के लिए हैं तो हमें स्टैटिक्स देना कंपलसरी है. तो मेरा हो गया नॉर्मलाइजेशन का जो 160 है 160.67 अगेन फिर इंग्लिश जनरल अवेयरनेस दोनों मिलाकर नॉर्मलाइजेशन 167 हुआ और फिर पेपर 2 के 136 ये तीनों मिलाकर जो है मेरा टोटल स्कोर आ गया 464.2244.
And performance
कहाँ पे 464 कहाँ पे तो अंकित नहीं
यहाँ 69 पेज नंबर 69
कहाँ है 464?
वो total कर रहे हैं सर.
ऐड करके उन्होंने
So
नहीं
they are
किया, but
totaling
ये add-
normalized 160.67 plus 167.5 plus 136.
It comes
ये तीनों को
646. इस तीनों को ऐड करेंगे सर तो 164.2244.
the applicant was a aspirant for the post of the junior statistical officer and had submitted his application pursuant to the recruitment notification published by the Staff Selection Commission notice for the combined graduate level examination 2024. He had participated in the recruitment exercise, which consisted of the Tier 1 and Tier 2 examination. After qualifying the Tier 1 examination, the applicant had participated in Tier 2. Tier 2 in itself consisted of Paper 1 and Paper 2. Within Paper 1, there were 3 sections, and each section had 2 modules, except section 3, which had only 1 module, that is a computer knowledge module. Each section had 2 modules. Section 3 of the paper 1 of tier 2 consisted of 2 modules, computer knowledge module and data entry speed test module. ठीक है जी, और यही qualifying था. Counsel for the applicant submits that applicant had performed very well in the entire tier 2. Upon normalization of the scores, the applicant has scored total 446.
So 464. 463.67 to be precise.
464.2244.
464.2245 marks. Full stop. The cutoff, he belongs to the general category. Belongs to the EWS category. The cutoff for the EWS has been declared as 447. As such, the applicant has scored more marks than the cutoff. However, he has not been selected due to him not qualifying the skill test, that is computer knowledge module and data entry.
Only computer knowledge module, section 3.
That is the computer knowledge module, which is the part of the section 3 of paper 1 of tier 2. Council submits that this module of the section 3 exam was only of a qualifying in nature. One of the questions, in total 60 questions were asked. 20 questions were
Question number 19 was.
were to be answered. Question number 19. There is a mistake has occurred in question number 19.
No, there is no mistake. The question number 19
has been answered correctly by the applicant. However, the same. However, the answer to the said question has been changed by the Staff Selection Commission in the final answer key. In the revised answer key. He submits that he submits and relies upon the NCRT books in this regard to say that the answer / attempted by the applicant was the correct
and in the
answer.
tentative they have corrected. They relied on the NCRTs.
Which in the tentative answer key had been marked as correct answer. However, for some unexplained reason, the respondents have changed the answer key in the answer to question number 19 in the revised answer. In view of the same, the 4 marks have been deducted, thereby disqualifying the applicant in the said examination. Notices in this OA were issued on 15th of April 25. The matter is listed today for arguments on the
But reply no.
Mr. So-and-so appearing on behalf of the respondents seeks some more time for filing of counter affidavit.
Objective.
Abhi, what do you have to say on this?
It needs 2 weeks time to file reply.
Only 6 2 weeks time for filing of reply, and
My lord,
otherwise has no other
my lord, one
comments to
submission.
offer.
One submission is there.
Counsel for the applicant insists on grant of the interim.
Yes.
Sir, and Singh submits that in view of the final result, कब publish हुआ था जी?
13
13
मतलब 12 के रात को 12 बजे की 13
12 April.
हाँ
Final results having been published on 12th of
12
April.
मार्च मतलब 13 मार्च को ये क्योंकि
On
रात को
13th March, the respondents are going ahead with the postings. As such, the applicant who is well within the otherwise declared cutoff would lose its chance for posting as a junior statistical officer. Considering the above, and in order to ensure that the OA is not rendered infructuous, and we note that he has a prima facie case has been made out, the junior statistical officer अलग different ministries में जाना होगा ना?
Yes.
तो फिर how many ministries were participating in the exam? Or is it only statistical के लिए था ये?
सिर्फ जूनियर स्टैटिस्टिकल ऑफिसर
Oh, which ministry you will be posted? Which cadre? उनको
मेरिट पे डिपेंड करेगा ना
हाँ
मेरिट पे
नहीं वो all are participating.
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोग्राम
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स प्रोग्राम
तो
इंप्लीमेंटेशन
आपने उसको पार्टी क्यों नहीं बनाया हुआ?
MOSPI मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड
एसएससी का रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस
अरे
and the SSC is involved in this
posting कौन देगा?
posting is a different part because the SSC in the recruitment process the SSC is involved.
एक बात
There is nothing
अपनी
to do with
गलती
the
है तो
department.
मान लेना चाहिए ना. पोस्टिंग कौन देगा? यू आर आप यही तो कह रहे हैं कि पोस्टिंग हो रही है मुझे इंटरिम चाहिए. पोस्टिंग
Yes.
कौन दे रहा है? मिनिस्ट्री दे रही है.
Yes, sir.
अगर पोस्टिंग के लिए आपने पोस्ट रखवानी है किसको डायरेक्शन दूंगे? मिनिस्ट्री को कि एसएससी को? मिनिस्ट्री को आपने पार्टी नहीं बनाया हुआ.
The recruitment process is conducted by the SSC.
हमने बता जी नहीं.
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ
The SSC
स्टैटिस्टिक्स
is involved in that.
but you should make the ministry of statistics and implementation also party ना
I'll get the party. I'll get the party.
ये सब लोग तो वहीं पे जाना है जितने यहाँ पे जो कैंडिडेट्स हैं उसी मिनिस्ट्री में पोस्ट करना है
हाँ वो सब एक काउंटर होगा ना वो अलग-अलग जगह.
जूनियर स्टैटिस्टिकल ऑफिसर
पहले तो SSC करेगी.
ये बट किस मिनिस्ट्री ने अब क्या था
Because the SSC sent the recruitment this posting to the under the
डिमांड
government.
किसने किया था एसएससी को करने के लिए परीक्षा कौन से मंत्रालय ने कहा था परीक्षा कीजिए ये जूनियर स्टैटिस्टिकल ऑफिसर के लिए
Nee, nothing is mentioned in the notification the which department or the which ministries has given this recruitment.
दिस इंटेंट
Nothing is mentioned in the
अभी बाकी आप कह रहे हैं कि सब लोगों को पोस्टिंग और मिल रहा है
notification.
पोस्टिंग कहाँ जा रहे हैं किस मंत्रालय में जा रहे हैं
For statistical officer and this ministry of statistics.
जैसे कुछ लोग तो ये भी तो कह रहे हैं अभी सेंसस शुरू होने वाला है तो हमारा जो सेंसस कमिश्नर है मिनिस्टर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया वहाँ भी लोगों को भर्ती किया जा रहा है
I am not aware of because nothing is mentioned in the notification. I'll go by the
हमारे
notification.
सामने आया ना दैट वो डिग्री जो है स्टैटिस्टिक्स की है उसकी भी देयर आल्सो अप बिफोर अस इन अदर वे जूनियर स्टैटिस्टिकल ऑफिसर्स
So in the notification,
Come to page 91.
19.
Page 91. कैसे कह रहे हैं कि नोटिफिकेशन में नहीं लिखा हुआ? Page 91.
ये तो मंत्रालय लिखा हुआ है.
Page 91. Come to the bottom. Junior statistical officer by Ministry of Statistics. और ये है.
MOSPI है
अपनी इसी मिनिस्ट्री को पार्टी आप इसी
recruiting authority is
इसको
the
पार्टी बनाना
SSC.
था ना. इसको पार्टी बनाना था.
वाइस नंबर पे
यहाँ तो रिक्रूटमेंट में इलीगलिटी है और द मिनिस्ट्री इज नॉट इन्वॉल्व फॉर द रिक्रूटमेंट
पोस्टिंग पे सही कैसे दे दूं बताइए पोस्टिंग तो मिनिस्ट्री कर रही है ना
My lord, there is a judgment of the Supreme Court which says that there is a malafide in the recruitment process. The recruiting authority is a competent authority to
ये
take
कर
the
देते हो फिर
decision.
आप इम्प्लीमेंट करवाते रहना कंटेम्प्ट फाइल करवा लेना
My lord, जो भी order करेंगे, I'll comply.
ठीक है but they are not bothered अब वो मान ही नहीं
ये मानेंगे नहीं क्योंकि एसएससी को तो बहुत वो कर रहा है स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमीशन
My lord, the Sachin Kumar Supreme Court judgment says so.
SSC will conduct it.
Authority is involved, is responsible for all these things. If there is an illegality involved by the recruitment authority should be held for responsible for that. And he should take the decision, not the Mantralaya or the ministry. Ministry तो कहेगी कि मेरे पास आ गया जी हम तो posting है.
Well, maybe give a time for week to
क्या है?
file the reply.
SSC कर रही है, illegality मंत्रालय तो नहीं कर रही है.
जिसमें केवल एक कैंडिडेट हमारे सामने है, अनुराग पाठक हमारे सामने है,
Yes, my lord.
और बाकी लोग अफेक्टेड नहीं है।
recruitment to one post of
They have also filed, and different are also coming to file the case.
shall remain subject to the outcome of the order.
My lord, the interim with regard to the interim order, because earlier
Subject to the outcome कर दिया.
that interim prayer have not made in the interim prayer.
We have more.
Only stay on this, only decide this interim prayer.
That I have already decided. The interim prayer stands decided.
Can you get the dusty order, ma'am?
On this thing.
Okay. Application, ma'am. 15 July. Item 26.
क्या स्टेटस क्या है इसको?
26.